nira amangana Gusii Stadium na obosumeki bwobonyansi obubagasi nigosome kwa asegeti no chubware tire esegene ne kigima gochia ase ti engineer amuro bonyansi bari bogosome kwa asegeti kya Gusii Stadium bonega nigotoroche bagasi nigosomeka ama teacher ayaga sine kubekwa ari no bonyansi ase egeti kya Gusii Stadium na ase wetira ase enchireyo nari anetire nchiko kwanera ase enseme igaturigerenga standards chobunyansi butakeri gusumikwa ase ebiti byete byo gwaka omopira munyansi ki bwancheire gusumika ase ebiti nyoranga ekero kwagacha stadium ekero kwagacha stadium ime ya Kenya ngubwatore rules and regulations kirichiko gwanchera wagache egeti kegwa kunumopira o Kenya Gusii Stadium negeti kegutumekwa amona Shabana FC now na Gusii Stadium na Shabana FC nigo ere Premier League Kenya Premier League nebwate standards chirichi gwanchera ebiti byagachwe nechi team kotumeke ebiti ebyo gwakira Premier League ya Kenya so a team co-hosti Premier League funa egeti yanka wekebwati those standards rules and regulations tirichibekirororo now ase obotumeki gosobosumeki bobonyansi bwa Gusii Stadium the engineer the contractor they must follow wekababwati amachiko na amarago yegeti korosia na FKF na Kenya Premier League chigwanchera remember akara usumeko munyansi boria ase stadium taringa nshabane ko gochokutumeko either mambi Kenya can host mopira ororo now in Nyanza ndobwate geti Kisumu ndobwate Homa Bay Raila Odinga na Gusii Stadium but ndete kogotebi aina yobunyansi ireta kene basumwe kwa safety types of lawn grasses ebitake basumwe kwa ase stadiums ndobwate Zimbabwe grass ndobwate Kikuyu grass ndobwate Pamda grass ndobwate Arabic grass ndobwate Buffalo or Pemba grass so aina yobonyansi FKF was the Kenya Premier League ewanchera ebiti stadiums bugosumekwa now Gusii Stadium koba stadium egutumekwa la Shabana koba stadium ere standard ekuwa certified na FKF mepira yake ruororo the engineer or the contractor must follow rules and regulations chobonyanso boiga Gusii Stadium right now niko bagasi ne kwa wosumeko bonyanso bokuru kwa Kikuyu grass obonyanso boniko bwasumeketwe omwaka o 2020 asegeti kya Gusii Stadium boka shine abantu bakagoka so these are the types of grass ndobwate Arabic grass osekidero Arabic grass osekidero obombori bwasumeketwe ari kero opama ringe gocha Nairobi no na Kidero ekera ngite first governor ya Nairobi County abakenya bakabaka Arabic grass ndobwate Buffalo was Pemba grass was St. Augustine grass ndobwate obunyansi bokoro kwa Kikuyu na whatever Zimbabwe ndobwate kati ya obunyansi obonge obugosume kwa ime ya Kenya CVT so what we need to see for Gusii Stadium is the final product Now, inyona nga kira muntu rabote a provision yae. My provision, your provision, mbi kubwekana. Gusii Stadium, kusume ko bunyansi na maticha. The engineer maybe na understand it. Na kya treat obunyansi obu mako wete final product. Wondiga murocha maticha ko be kwa segeti kya Gusii Stadium. Lakini tumete the end product croise obunyansi obu mburobyobo. Because ene no mochakano. Nditurama tutoreka final. In fact, ndora final product croise obunyansi obuiga bugusume ko bondinga na maticha. But what we need to see is the final product kurwa aso bunyanso boiga. Now, FKF ya Kenya, eye kurwa rules and regulations chogwa kwa gacho AVT nebwata machikai. And an engineer okwa gachege ti kego tumeka na FKF matches ose Kenya Premier League. That engineer must be certified or certified. Must be certified. Akaegwa a certificate yokwa gache bitie viga. So when you see an engineer wakubeko bunyansi na maticha wano talk about mungaini mwanu wetani that engineer. When you see a teacher kawa somya abana ba CPC ne wiri paro omwari mo ina understand tinga kingotumeke wiri paro the end product abano ikabaigwe 90%. Now in 2020 this was the second time the Gusii Stadium ya wakora kwa gachwa wosara kwa renovation. The first time Gusii Stadium ya betike kwa gachwa was the first regime yomu governor Orengoro James Ongwae, the first governor ya Gusii County. Akagacha Gusii Stadium into a certain level yogo chenchomo nyansi lakini terraces nchaba chikorosigwa akameka sprinkles chogo sarama stadium come to a certain level akaira 2020 the national government ngokore arenge chi function chae Gusii County celebrations chichiwa kore kana round as county chonsi. Now the national government wetera President Uhuru Kenyatta CS Dr. Fred Matiang'i na hata no governor James Ongwae they allocated billions of money, not billions but millions of money, sorry, wakameka millions of money kwa chasa Gusii Stadium kende rego kona renovation kero osigwe. Indeed eyatika kagendera korosigwa Titanic track ikabekwa kikamento into a certain level but mekari korosigwa wakatokoro mwenyesu mwenye asumege tu ditangani na mugavana Ongwae wakabeko bungao wakakora into a certain level ya renovation. Into that time millions of money kwa chatumekire everything kama smart but the worst thing aba Gusii understand it from this egete ya Gusii Stadium mayaya korosuwa na first governor na national government Shabana FC ticheti ko host mepira yabo ase Gusii Stadium mbaka ekero governor Simba Rati the second governor aswa ase omugambi nalo chite wanjera Shabana wono tigyakire Gusii Stadium. Do you know why? Do you know why? The first regime etari wanjira Shabana wakera mupira ase Gusii Stadium. It is because the standard yobonyansi either maybe. Anyway, now the Gusii Stadium enen tuna ya gatatu ekora renovation. Now kangumoni gato kwanira Gusii Stadium kogenda into another level, because first regime and the national government nga kuba kwa gata Gusii Stadium teriko nyara cover into a standard stadium. Governor Simbarat came in as the governor of Gusii County, knowing that Gusii Stadium is standard. Now it can host FKF Premier League and FKF matches. Gagamono na lema Gusii sitakumanya Gusii Stadium ngiaga into a standard. Why? Ekro Shabana na Gusii FC chance what make a Gusii Stadium. That's the time now the real picture ya Gusii Stadium ya sasa itakorekana. Flats cha mate embregotwa. Shabana wakumopia edeka ya first half, edeka ya 40, edeka ya 70, embranga gotwe nyinge. Egati gyaba machoka. Amacha flood geteke gima. Mepira yatenena maka nitukoliko bwatia. This is not the real time that correctly the real picture and why the first regime etaringe wanchera Shabana FC na Gusii FC kutumeka Gusii Stadium, because bara kwana na Gusii Stadium kutumeka for the function chirichiakanere chikutumeka ororo, but matches they were not allowed kutumeka Gusii Stadium. Sorry. Why? Shabana FC yara kutumeka Awando Stadium wakiri mipira yabo in Migori County. Gusii yatumeka wose Mansai Mara which Mansai Naroko Stadium. Shabana FC sometimes alikuwa na Naroko Stadium was bagenda Awendo. Now that time Gusii Stadium was not under renovation. Gusii Stadium could make millions of money. Gusii Stadium could be the national government, but the county government and the leadership yalengo at that time nyari wantera Shabana wakumupira as a Gusii Stadium, because they only gave out pictures how Gusii Stadium was good, how Gusii Stadium kokerosiwe. Now it was meant for pictures only and some functions tarimopira. When the rat gave the space chitim chakrimopiro, we now saw the real picture. Drainage was poorly done. Now the government of Warati is renovating the stadium. What we need to see is the standards of the stadium. The contractor and the engineer, are they really following the real standards cha FKF? Kuna uko sume kama teacher na kuko follow the real standards cha FKF was Kenya Premier League, then let's give them time and give us the final product ya Gusii Stadium. Gusii Stadium ama teacher yaso akobe kugari a contractor and the engineer mamaite what they're planting there. I told you the water aina nyecho munyansi chiko sume kwa 70 stadium. FKF and the Kenya Premier League mako kira obunyansi bwo bekugari ama teacher sume kwe asengencho betikome kama teacher ta commit the standards chia stadium ya Gusii. Now, final thing, we should give time to the contractor and the engineer to deal with the situation. And FKF under Nicky Mwendwa, he was here recently. I think Nicky Mwendwa was here in the Gusii Stadium. I think he was given the plan of Gusii Stadium. Nobody else will make kororo. Now we need to see Kenya nera mugeti FKF nero tu mnyansi will make Gusii Stadium. Mbali they know they should have reacted. Which are something else will make Gusii Stadium. But now, let's give them 1 month. We see the final product. Kurwa sobu nyansi budia. Kurwa sama teacher. The war, the politics, either it can be true or false. But let's give it time. We see the final product from Gusii Stadium. The allocation of money was done under the financial year 2023-2024. And now, it is the right time to give it time. And we see the final product from Gusii Stadium. Drainage according as Gusii Stadium, previous, ya weke chipipe chinke, masimo kamenda chipipe chikaba chinene. Now, either abantu batake tukora artificial grass, artificial lawn grass. Artificial lawn grass, niko tusumekire only 4 stadiums in Kenya. In fact, naonye Kasarani Stadium, naonye Nyayo Stadium, tusumekiri artificial grass. Tusumekiri artificial lawn grass. No. We have only 4 stadiums. 4 stadiums in Kenya to make artificial grass. Now, if the water can be Toyoyo City Stadium, I'm on Kisumu Stadium, if you never be able to make artificial lawn grass. Lawn grass. The rest of this, we want a natural grass. But satisfied. I told you, no matter Kikuyu grass, no matter Arabic grass, or Kidero, we have no matter Bamda, we have Arabic and the Pufaro was Pemba grass. So when the contractor and the engineer are what it is school, certified engineers, certified engineers. Let's give them time and do their work. We need to see the final product. But ene esabadi agatatu Gusii Stadium ekwagachwa. Why the first regime failed kutarosya Gusii Stadium into a standard kangomoniga togodiri nebintebi ngao. Now, omunyansi mokosome kwa gari nama teacher, it can be Kikuyu, it can be Bamda, nama nyansi omoiga Kikuyu, Arabic grass, Pufaro, osa Pemba, nama nyansi tu, you know them. Yeah? Kwa nama at the time, kagona wote the characteristics cha amunyansi omokosome kwa ACVT. Lakini kingo kolera, go and Google certified lawn grass per FKF stadiums in Kenya. You can see them. Amanyansi nataka ile gosume kwa ACV ya Kenya. They are there. They are certified. Tari manyansi ande na alituwa korora ale gabu. But the renovation, what we need to see is the final product. We can't judge it right now. We need to give it time. We want to see the final product. Yes. Kero koruga, tulikomeka mache yiko, kwa meko bosi, kwa yerobo kuma. Kero koruga, ngote kore time, ute, sibe suguri, obeka mache, amacha yabere, atogote, obeko bosi bakaigo, ora koroga, utige bora kuma bora atogota. Bukuma wembo atogota, bukuyero kuma bobese. Bo atogotire, ororomento bosi, abugwancho ruko kumobuo osobo kumobokong obwabantu bakoria. Gusii Stadium kusomo kwa abunyansi bwa maticha is a process. What we need to see is the final product. Kusomo kumobuo cha Gusii Stadium no bototo kusono bokong. Mbuyete kusono bobese. So give it time ncheni konkuru kwa nyamtu Dennis kusono nangiri kuntu asaboni kana achire tomirane ase ebiro binde. Bye bye.